I know it's sad, they're kind of retiring, but just remember one thing. You're the ones, the guests, and Walt Disney, thank you very much, because you're the ones that made the magic of this show to last this long. Thank you very much. All right, take a break for that still. So the show makes not going to be too much. The show making a lot more. Return that to some viewers. But if that is the case, you can actually see left side where at that point in time, our cast members assist you. And there is no eating, drinking, or entertainment during the show. And once again, for my final spiel, for Billy Bug Girl, it's time to be Bob!
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite act, Flick.
I'm here. Over here. Wales. Wales, a little more. A little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Off into the... Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is my favorite.
Come on! Come on, keep up coming! Chili's on a roll! Hey! What are you guys trying to pull? Listen up my hand! Hold still!
Back off! You guys can't notice tonight.
You missed! Here, no one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright. Well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right. Acid. Welcome now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, defensive machine. I am the terminator.
Now come try to play!
Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No. They're not intruders. No. They're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Well, is everybody all right out there? Oh. I hope none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Let's move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second.
Let him in, Claire! Hey! Stop! Back here, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You're still alive? This means war! Put it on your sticker and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Go! Zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Well, it's just a movie, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we made your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators! If you like vegetables, flowers, we taste buds for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we like to taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, then soon be no humans around you to man you. Know nothing about us. You can't live without us. Still it's time to be alive.
Huh? It's a piece of cake.
And holy!
Let's see.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
Here?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small drugs from their loving little hands.
Deposit your bug eyes in the bins located outside the bin.